So to make a spoiler, you wanna grab a couple vertices right here in the back. So then press Shift D to duplicate and press Escape to cancel any movement, because every time you duplicate it makes it move around with your mouse. And so right now I got our duplicates over here, and now you press P and separate by selection. Now over here uh, you can merge by distance. This one's pretty important because you don't want to have any duplicates while doing this. Press E and Z to extrude up, Z, S and Z and 0 to flatten it near the top, E and X, S and X, 0 over here to flatten it on the x-axis. So now you look at the back of your car, which depends where your car is facing when you export it. So Control 1 to look at the other side if you're facing the front here. So now you want to go into vertice select mode by pressing 1 and press G and X, move it near here. Now you want to hold Alt and click on like a edge here while on vertice select, and you want to Control B. Oh yeah, so the reason why this thing beveled wrong is, yeah, that's not how it's properly supposed to bevel. So you go into face orientation by pressing this and pressing this, and make sure everything's facing outside. Blue is facing outside, red is facing inwards. So you press Alt and N and then flip. Now you can get off of that face orientation thing, and now you can Control B to do a bevel. You can use your scroll wheel to change how many bevels you want. So let's just say I wanted this many bevels, and now I have my spoiler there. Shade, and then you go out of edit mode, shade smooth. Alright, so now you wanna take this. I'll press Alt on like the front. Just don't click on this one. Just leave that one. Press G and G twice. Move it like this, and then just keep moving it while taking any vertices out, like that. So that's how I like it. And maybe I want to adjust this one a bit here, so I just move it like that. So yeah, that's how I like my spoiler. And now you want to do a solidify modifier. Find the solidify over here, click on it, and now you see it does give you a shading error, but I'll teach you how to fix that. So right over here, now we made it thicker. Press this and apply. Now you can click on here, right click, well, press Alt first and then select all of this by clicking on it, then mark sharp. Press hold Alt and click here again, mark sharp. Do it again over here, and you're done with that. Oh yeah, so right now we have this gap because I decided to move it, so you can do a loop cut using Control R, G and Z to move it down. Like that. So now you notice that there's still shading errors. You want to remove these because, well, this one right over here, you want to hold shift and select these four near the end, like all of these near the end right here. You want to select these and delete. That makes it so then it mirrors without having extra faces over there. And since you can't see the parts under here, you can go back into object mode, go here, and then press this I over here to hide it. And now you can go down here and delete these because you don't need those. So yeah, right over here, that's how we fix the shading error. And now you see there's still a shading error. You can just put a weighted normal and turn on keep sharp. And now you have it all fixed over here. So now, okay, wait, let me go into this mode and into this other view so you can see this better. Now you want to set the origin to 3D cursor because that's where it's going to mirror. You put the mirror modifier. You move it on top of your weighted normal because I don't really know how to explain, but it's just better. And later you want to merge just to make this number a little bigger until it merges properly. And now you have a little clean spoiler. apply and apply, and now everything's good. Now for a roof spoiler, it should be pretty simple. So right over here, you see, go into edit mode, click on these right here. Just keep on going, just how much you want your roof spoiler to go. So now you just press Shift D, P, selection, do the same thing that we did earlier. E, Y, extrude from the Y axis, and now S, Y to flatten it on the Y axis. Shade smooth, and now you want to merge by distance just in case. Go to your face orientation and flip all of these. So right here, now you wanna like edit this, so you can do any loop cut. You can do all of these, just kind of changing the shape around, I guess. You can also like I recommend you should also put these out a little bit, so it's a little rounder. Shade smooth, make sure it's all shaded smooth. Now you can put a solidify over here. Make it thicker, as thick as you want. Go and apply. Now you go over here, mark sharp, mark sharp, mark sharp. Now we hide this so we can see the rest of it. Mark sharp. And now we can delete all the things we don't need. So we can select this, delete. Select all of these. And one sec. Well, actually we do need those. I'll keep that. And now since it still has a shading error, just add a weighted normal, turn on keep sharp, apply, done. You have your spoiler. Now we do the same thing to 3D cursor, mirror. Make sure it's gonna be pushed a little back like this, and then just change your merge thing, and there you go. Apply. And there you have your roof spoiler.